Hello guys, welcome back to Kitchen Nursery. Hard-boiled egg and a little spiced onion encased in a crisp gold puff pastry, that is an Indian egg puff. This is a very hot-selling bakery item which can be made at home, and trust me guys, it's finger-licking good. If you like our video, give us a thumbs up, share, like and subscribe to our channel. So let's get started with our recipe. Place the pan with water over high heat. Now add in the eggs. Along with that, add in little salt and cover the pan and let it sit for around 10 to 13 minutes. Once you observe crack on the eggs, remove the eggs from the pan and place them in an ice water and let them cool for around 5 minutes. Carefully remove the egg shells and keep them aside. Heat oil in a pan and add 1 tablespoon of butter. This way the butter won't get burnt. Add half tablespoon of cumin seeds, and once the seeds start spluttering, add in 1 pinch of asafoetida or hing. Add in 2 medium-sized chopped onions. Followed by some salt as per taste. Cover and cook on medium flame until they become browned and slightly caramelized. This will take around 3 to 4 minutes. Open the lid and add 1 tablespoon of ginger garlic paste and give it a nice stir. To this, add 2 chopped green chilies. Add in half tablespoon of turmeric powder, 2 tablespoons of cumin coriander powder, 1 tablespoon of Kashmiri red chili powder and give it a nice stir. After around 2 to 3 minutes, add 1 medium-sized chopped tomato. Mix and cover and cook until the tomatoes become a little mushy. Once you open the pan, add half tablespoon of garam masala and half tablespoon of dry mango powder. Mix it well for around 2 to 3 minutes and keep it aside. Now half the eggs. Here we are using ready-made pastry sheets available in the market. I have provided the link to the pastry sheets that are available both in India and US. Do check it out in the description below. Now thaw the frozen pastry sheet at room temperature the same day for around 20 to 30 minutes until soft and easy to work with. Roll out the pastry sheets on a lightly floured surface. We've used all-purpose flour here. Cut each puff pastry sheet into 6 equal pieces, large enough to wrap the egg. Divide the onion mixture into 6 portions. Now place the half egg on top of the onion mixture. Break an egg into a small bowl to make the egg wash and set it aside. Preheat the oven to 400° Fahrenheit or 210° Celsius. Apply egg wash on the corners of the pastry sheets and stick the other half part. This is one way to make the pastry. Another way is to bring all 4 corners of the pastry on top of the filling. Overlap each end slightly over the other, sealing with egg wash. Your end result should look like a bulging envelope. Seal by brushing with egg wash and pressing the edges together. Repeat with the remaining pieces. Now grease the baking tray with some butter and transfer the puffs to the baking tray. Lightly brush the top of the puffs with the egg wash. This will keep the puff moist and crisp. Transfer to the oven and bake for around 20 to 25 minutes or until golden brown on top. Now remove from the oven and serve warm.